Hey, what's up? Welcome to this new video of Codsoft Python internship series. Last week, I have uploaded the solution of task 1 of this series. Hope you liked it. If you didn't watch yet, you can find the link of that in the description of this video. In this video, I will provide you the code of task 2, that is to design a simple calculator with basic arithmetic operations, perform the calculation, and display a result. As you can see the code, it is complete and clear. I have used the tkinter module, a Python's GUI module, for creating graphical user interface applications. I have written all the necessary comments so that it's easy for you to understand the code. Now let's run the program. Here is the output, a calculator with a user interface. Let's do some calculations. Perfect. As you are seeing, it is perfectly working. You can get the code link in the description below. That's it for today. If you find this video helpful, then like this video, share this video, and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.